Good morning, everybody. It's Kevin here from Podium Bodyworks. We're at COTA for a PCA event. It's going on all weekend. There's going to be some club racing going on, as well as us being able to go out and put some time in on the track. Sun's just coming up. Super excited to get out on the track with our new Cayman 718. Going to be doing some time, talk to some of our clients that are out here, kind of see what our car does in stock form. Once we start adding some of our upgrades, we're going to be doing the Tech Art Springs next. We're going to be doing some aero and some other fun stuff. So stay tuned. Sun's just coming up. We're going to be driving both Saturday and Sunday, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Start making your way to the mandatory drivers meeting, lot 204, for the meeting at 7:15. Thank you.
All right, you heard the lady. We got to get up to the drivers meeting, and we'll check back. Our first part of the day, the 2 sessions, and now we're going to do a little parade lap. Going to let my son Emery drive. We're lined up. Cayman S is doing all right. You ready to drive COTA? Yeah. Do you have a driver's license? All right, let's go. Checking back in on the parade lap. My son Emery's driving. Let's get a chance to get a feel of what it's like to be out on COTA. It's pretty cool. We just finished up our first day here at COTA. The last session of the day is going, so we're just kind of getting ready to wrap things up. It's great to be a part of this group. My garage mates are running GT4 RSs. Looking forward to tomorrow. We're going to do a social tonight at 5 o'clock with the Porsche Club members, talk a little bit about Podium and how we can support the Porsche community if, heaven forbid, they get into an accident and need some kind of services from us. If you're driving a car fast, chances are you will probably need us at some point. So we're here to help. It's awesome to be out here. We'll talk soon. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday here at Circuit of the Americas. It's day 2 of our weekend here. The Cup cars are out right now doing their first race, Sprint 1. We're going to be out on the track right after them for our first session, so looking forward to it. Made a few changes to the car, tire pressure. I did do a little bit of brake maintenance, kind of having some today. It's a stock 718 Cayman S, so all in all, it's a great car, but I could definitely see where we can upgrade the brakes and be able to do a little bit better out on the track. Session on Sunday here at Circuit of the Americas. Had a great time. Unfortunately, the Cayman went into limp mode a couple times. I got one fault under heavy braking that was our gear fault. Something in the PDK, it reset right away and we were able to get some good laps in. So it was a great weekend. It was fun to be out here talking to people about Podium Bodyworks and letting the Porsche community know that they have a resource if they get involved in a collision or they need any aero. We are working with Tech Art now, so we're doing a lot of carbon installs, wings, diffusers, splitters, that kind of stuff. So it's kind of neat. Let folks know that they've got a spot here in Central Texas, really close to Coda. We're less than an hour away, so it's really easy for a lot of these folks to reach us. So stay tuned. Make sure that you like and you subscribe, and we're going to give you more content. We're really excited about our track program that we're doing on top of just, you know, promoting Podium and doing our collision repair. We're also putting together a bunch of cars from the shop that we're going to be driving, all of our technicians, and bring some of our customers out to be able to enjoy this also. So stay tuned. Talk soon.